Good morning, sir. I am very glad to introduce myself. Sir, actually, I am Kalavar Ranjit, but my friends prefer to call me Ranjit. I am born and brought up in Srikakulam, which is the land of great scientific innovations, which proves the greatest civil engineering technology which is used in the construction of Sun God Temple located in Ars Valley. As well as this is the land of peace and sacrifice, which is proved by Archaeology Department. Salihundam and Dantavarapakota were the lands of great Buddhist monks. Right now, I am pursuing BSc Computers as a mainstream in Sun Degree and PG College, which is affiliated with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University in Srikakulam. In my graduation, my teachers used to teach me how to overcome the stage fear. I did my intermediate in Sri Chaitanya Junior College in Srikakulam. In my intermediate, I learned how to overcome the stress. I did my schooling in JPS School Board, Narsanapeta. In my schooling, I have learned the way of learning. In addition to that, I am taking training in English language communication skills from Tower Education Institution. There are so many things to mention about myself as I am very active, enthusiastic and thirsty for the knowledge person. I participated in social awareness programs which were held by college like planting trees. I watch YouTube videos which are related to my subject. In this way I can improve my knowledge. I scored more than 85% in all my academics, which proves I was very sincere in my studies. I have a beautiful family of 4 members. My father is a businessman, which is very difficult task to make more money, only depends upon the source. I still remember my father used to teach me the value of 1 rupee, how it leads the happier or curse life. My father always gives very respect to each and every moment of life. Because of my father's profession, there is a chance to me develop my personality well. I have learned personally from my father. If you spend one hour time on your goal, we can achieve something in it. In the same way, if you spend the time on unusual or unprofitable things, we may miss something. In my entire life, he is my inspiration, he is my guide. The things what I have learned from my father might be helpful to me in develop my professional skills, which are excellently fit for your organization. My mother is a housewife who is very close friend to me, where there is a chance to share all my personal things. She was really a great moral support to me. Whenever I lost something in my life, whether it is academically or something beyond that, my mother always helped me from overcome it. Whenever my father cursed me, my mother is a cure to me. I have a sister who is very good at academics compared to me. Whenever my sister brought progress report to my home, that day was a difficult day in my life. She always motivated to me, enhance my skills and knowledge, somewhat better to identify myself in the home. Initially, I declared whenever my sister gave me a difficult challenge that molded my mind to be in the first position in all aspects of academics. In this way, a competition is initially starts from my home to school, college and to the society. Right now, my ambitious goal is to get placed in a reputed company like yours. In that way, I can increase my knowledge and professional skills. My long-term goal is to be in a respectable position in the organization where I will work. I love to listen English lectures. It helps me to increase my English knowledge and vocabulary. I like to do arithmetic and reasoning problems, which are helpful me to attempt the exams. This is all about me. Thank you for your patience lesson.